lost in night, in the wood, shadows fight. Don't take gold, can't take flight. Power's gone, nothing's right. Cauldron cold, no more fire. Potions fail, dreams expire. Spirits whisper, call me liar. In the dark, lost desire. Purchase cry, echo loud. Through the fog, through the shroud. Mystic force, once so proud, now just whispers in the crowd.
Babalan TV.
Hello po Cancer, welcome po sa inyong reading. So this is for your weekly reading which is March 1st to March the 7th of 2025 reading. Para po sa mga bago, don't forget to click the subscribe button, smash the like button, comment below kung kayo po ay nakaka-resonate, and hit the notification bell. Kung gusto nyo pong sumali sa ating live sessions, dun po yan sa ating kabilang channel. That is Babaylan TV. No, yan po ang ating unang channel catered for our international audience. Katulad ng sinabi ko, nagla-live po tayo doon, no? So might as well, huwag po kayo matakot, sumali kayo sa live sessions. Mababait po yung mga tao doon. Very friendly. Ayan. I want you to know that this is a general reading. So you may resonate po sa entire reading na ito or baka bits and pieces lang. So take what's only yours, no? Cancer, I feel like kahit takasan mo ito, hindi mo ito magagawang takasan. Kahit natakbuhan mo, hindi mo magagawang takbuhan. I feel like this is meant to happen. And this is meant to be with you and your person. Ngayon, yung iba naman, baka I feel like pinupush nyo na itong taong ito. I think that there is some learnings on this. Hindi ko sinasabing wala ng pag-asa. What I am seeing is meron lang pinagdadaanan. But I feel like needs to happen, no? Meron mga bagay kasi na katulad ng mga problema, 'di ba? Chances are yung iba tinatakbuhan. Ngayon ang kailangan natin gawin is harapin. Kausapin if pwede, no? And with the Queen of Wands, this is a brutally honest conversation. When I say brutally honest, ito yung kahit masakit sasabihin ko, hindi dahil brutal na, no? Kailangan kong magmura, sumigaw, gawin yung mga bagay na makakasakit ng, yung harsh. It may be truthfully hurtful, pero in a nice way, no? With the Seven of Chalice, there's a lot of things for you to say this. It's not about the words, it's how it comes across. Let's say, ito sasabihin ko, magbibigay ako ng example. I think it's the tone, yung pinag-uusapan natin. Ikuha mo ako ng tubig, no? Same word. Ikuha mo nga ako ng tubig, or ikuha mo ako ng tubig. Versus pwede mo ba akong ikuha ng tubig? No? Makikita mo yung difference. Almost same words, same context, no? Pero yung delivery magkaiba. So yung isa medyo maangas, no, na parang pautos. Yung isa naman merong pagpi-please na malumanay, no, na parang gusto kong sundin. Yun yung sinasabi ko. There's a lot of things for you to say it, or kung meron ka mga gustong sabihin, pwede mo naman itong direktang ibigay kung kaya, kung hindi, pwede mong i-post, no? Or pwede ka magpahaging, lalo na kung may crush ka, no? Pwedeng i-post mo yung kanta, i-post mo yung, tula, no? Or a skit, no? Na parang, or ito yung mga ugot mo, moments, na pwede nilang makita. With the Two of Chalice, I feel like meron taong gustong kumausap sa'yo. Meron taong gustong kilalanin ka pang mabuti, no? With the Nine of Chalice, I feel like kung meron kang crush ka rin ito. Ito sinasabi natin. Yung crush mo, crush ka din. No? With the Page of Pentacles, I feel like meron ditong pagtitinginan or tinitignan mo itong mga, or tinitignan niya, or both of you, tinitignan yung social media accounts ng bawat isa. No? I feel like meron na ditong pagmamahal, meron na namumuong pag-ibig na hindi lang sinasabi, hindi ito na-express ng maayos, Kasi with the King of Chalice, ito yung medyo takot na magsalita. Fear of rejections, with the Two of Pentacles, pero iniisip, no? Gagawin ko ba? Kailan ko gagawin? Sa paanong paraan, no? With the Queen of Wands in here and the Knight of Pentacles, I feel like medyo mahaba-haba na rin itong pagtitinginan, no? Ninyong dalawa. To a point wherein itong paglalandian nyo medyo nakakaumay na dahil parang hindi umuusad, no? Parang you just wake up, tapos ganito lang. So someone here, or probably both of you, no, want to put the connection into another level. With the Seven of Chalice and the Seven of Pentacles, ang nakikita natin dito, so yung mga gusto nating gawin, I think that this is the time para simulan na, no? Madaming oras, bagay na ang nasayang. Sayang yung oras, sayang yung pag-aantay. I feel like merong kahihinatnan eh. Meron lang takot dito magsalita or umamin. With the Five of Chalice, ayokong dumating sa point na yung isa magkaroon ng manawa sa kakaantay. To a point with the Five of Chalice, no, parang i-regret na lang na hindi nangyari ang mga bagay na gustong gawin. Mano ba naman yung sabihin mo, yung nararamdaman mo? Sa maraming paraan, with the Seven of Cups kanina, the High Priestess, and the Nine of Chalice. I feel like alam naman nitong taong to kung ano yung gusto mong iparating or gusto niyang iparating, alam mo naman. Pero mas masarap kung marinig. Siguro merong taong ayaw lang mag-assume, pero naiintindihan ko yung nararamdaman mo. And sana naiintindihan mo na yun din yung nararamdaman ko. Ayan, I smell landian, I smell pag-ibig with the Oak King. And the Page of Chalice. So, bakit ka mo? So, meron nahihiwagaan ba tayo dahil hindi natin nakikita kung ano yung what's behind the scene? Ang alam lang natin kung ano yung nakikita natin, although kahit tinitingnan natin ang social media accounts, medyo malihim si person, no? Parang feeling mo, baka masaktan ka, no? With the Five of Wands, iniisip mo ba dito? Baka kasi meron ka nakikita mga pictures, no, sa mga post na ay palabar ka daw or maraming kasama, no? Baka iniisip mo isa doon, may pinopormahan or meron talagang malapit sa kanya na parang iyong napapansin na ay makakarelasyon niya, no? It's much better to ask rather than to assume with the King of Chalice and the Six of Pentacles. I feel like yung emotional investments na nangyayari sa'yo, no, kung ikaw man ito, may nararamdaman ka dito sa taong ito, I feel like na marireciprocate, no, with the Six of Pentacles. This is somewhat a transaction. Ibinibigay ko ano yung hinihingi. So, kumbaga, kung bumibili ka, eto yung pera, ibibigay ko sa'yo kung ano yung binili mo, di ba? Six of Pentacles, siguro for a few numbers of you, baka meron din sinasabi niyo, ay, breadcrumbs ako. Ano nga ba yung breadcrumbs? Ito yung mga times na hawak ko, kunyari ako yung taong kumakain, hawak ko yung pandesal, no? Yung mga mumong nalalaglag, yun yung ibinibigay ko sa'yo. That's probably how it looks like in the surface. Pero kasi hindi pa na-open eh. Hindi pa, kumbaga, hindi pa nahihilot. Hindi pa, kumbaga, hindi pa nahihinog. I think with just one word, no? Pwede itong mangyari. And the Lady and the Lord, ito yung sinasabi ko, we are very aligned kasi destiny. I think that you're connecting with a soul tribe, soul family, twin flames, soulmate, no? What have you, merong red string, no? Kaya nga ito yung sinabi ko kanina pa, destiny, the oracle card, and the last card aligned. So parang, I feel like this is a personal reading. Challenging lang itong sitwasyon na ito ngayon, pero kailangan tapusin, kailangan ma-fulfill ang mission. Dahil parang feeling ko, you know, there's a part of you na parang nostalgic, no? Na siguro bago lang kami magkakilala or kung naiisip mo nung bago pa lang kayo magkakilala, Bakit parang kilalang-kilala ko na siya kahit bago pa lang, no? Alam ko minsan yung nangyayari sa kanya. There's butterfly in my stomach, no? I feel like there's a lot of things na kailangan pagdaanan, and I think that this lifetime needs to be fulfilled para mabuo na kayo, no? Spiritually. Ayan. So this is not just physical connection, but this is also a spiritual connection. We are very deep, Cancer, no? Again, uulitin ko lang po para po sa mga bago, doon po tayo nagla-live sa ating Babaylan TV. Kung hindi nyo po maabutan, pwede naman kayo magtanong dito sa ating comment section, as long as yung question po answerable by yes or no. Pero kung hindi po kayo papatulugin ng yes or no lang, dumiretso po kayo doon sa ating website. There is a link. Click the link dito po sa description box. Ira-route kayo doon sa ating website. Nandun po yung information. Question form, QR code, name, number for your reference, and amount per question, no? Take advantage of the 4 questions plus 1 kasi nga po ito ay discounted na, and if you want to book a private reading, nandun din po siya, no? So let's check the zodiac sign of your person. This can be their sun sign or a placement in their chart. I am seeing Gemini, Taurus, Leo, Pisces. I'm a Virgo. I am seeing Cancer, no? Capricorn is here. Yeah, Cancer is very dominant, no? So yeah, so this is your reading. Love and light to you. Namaste. And see you on the next live or the next reading. Goodbye.